Hello children, we were looking at the different landforms of different parts of India and we were looking at different modes of transport as well. We were doing this by seeing how children in different parts of India reach school. So we were discussing about bridges. We saw children in Assam use bamboo bridges, whereas we also saw cement bridges used by children in other parts of India. And we were discussing about some questions, and I'm so glad that you have submitted your work on time, and I also expect you to do the same henceforth. So let us continue with the questions. These are the questions that are given in your textbook. Is there any bridge near your house? So as I mentioned the other day, I take a bridge. It's a narrow bridge built across a canal on my way to school. Similarly, do observe if there are bridges near your house. I'll mention about few other bridges found in different parts of Palakkad town so that you will understand more about it. Okay, there's one bridge I had mentioned while taking class. It's a foot over bridge that you find near Palakkad town railway station. Palakkad town railway station a foot over bridge. It will take you to Shakuntala junction. Avade oru railway crossing. Earlier, free traffic movement was allowed. Now, the traffic movement, that is vehicles that is closed for vehicular movement. To take you to the other part of the town, we have a foot over bridge. A foot over bridge build the iron staircase, and then you have a bridge that will take you to the other side of the railway track. Okay. So it is built over, where is the bridge? Is it over water, over a road, between two mountains, or somewhere else? So as mentioned, it is built over a railway crossing. For free traffic, free move build. Now I'll mention about a bridge that is built over a road. Most of you might know Palakkad town government Moin school arranged. There is a main school and there is an LP school over there. LP school in the side when you move few meters, you will see an overbridge which is over a road. So if you take the route over the road, you can see two different paths. One will take you to Big Bazaar side of Palakkad. Palakkad in the GB road, Veliyangadi side. The other will take you, bring you near the town railway station. As I mentioned earlier, town in the traffic, railway crossing in the area block. So people need to travel to different parts of the town. So this bridge will help you to move in different directions of the town. You might have seen this, or you might have taken proper notice. So next time when you go over that place, just notice there's an overbridge there. You can see another one near Victoria College. Victoria College in the overbridge. That is again built over a road. And I'm sure most of you would have seen Yakara Palam. Yakara Palam na kettattundavu, really? So Yakara Puzhayude mollu kuda there's a bridge over Yakara Puzha, which is a tributary of Bharatapuzha. In case if you have Yakarayil kuda nammale Thrissur travel cheyananundengilo illengil aa direction travel cheyumbo you might have crossed this river and there's a bridge over there. Again, it is built with cement and cement and brick use build and the side, of course, iron railings. Similarly, you might come across some other bridge that is near your house. Just talk to your parents and find out about some bridge near your house. Okay? Okay. Now, moving forward to the next question. Who all use the bridge? Is it used by people on foot and also by vehicles and animals? So, as I mentioned, the foot over bridge near the town railway station is used by people on foot. It is not meant for vehicular transport. Vehicles povan patilla. Now, the bridge that I was talking about near the Moyne school in the Moyne LP school in the side bridge, that is meant for vehicular transport. Not many people walk on it. If you want, you can walk footpath and but still it is mainly meant for vehicular transport. Okay. The bridge near Victoria College, it is meant for all types of travel. People on foot use it, vehicles can go over it, animals use it. So, and the one over the Yakarapalam, that is also meant for all types of transport. People can walk on foot, vehicular movements are allowed, and animals, of course, you will see animals crossing the bridge. Does the bridge seem to be old or is it new? Find out what materials are used in making this bridge. List some of them. The foot over bridge that I spoke about is an iron bridge. So it is made of iron. The one that, the other one that I spoke about, that is for vehicular transport and all those things, is made of cement, bricks and metals. So, do talk about it with your elders and find out if there are any bridges near your place. Draw a picture of the bridge in your notebook. Do not forget to draw the train, vehicles, animals or people who cross the bridge. Try to make a wonderful picture. Imagine what difficulties there would be if the bridge was not there. So, the difficulties, like there used to be a lot of traffic jams. To avoid traffic jams, the bridges were built. Now, safety of people. Safety of people is another thing why the bridge was built across it. Vehicular transportum, illa transportum kudi varumbo, it used to be overcrowded and there were many accidents. So by building these bridges, the number of accidents could be reduced. So safety of people were considered. Now easy movement. It will take you to different parts of the town so that it could reduce the traffic in different parts of the town. So that's all about bridges. So please watch the video. Look at these questions. Try to find out some of the bridges near your house and write your own answers to the questions here. In case if you have any doubts, please do post it in the stream, children. We'll see with more questions and other recap in our next video. That's all for today. Thank you and take care.